Righto, so I'm just getting the wheels off. I'm going to take them in to the tyre place so they can take the split rims off. A lot better than what I could. I've got letter stamps, so I'm just stamping on the wheel rim and the split rim, just so I can sort of put them back in the same position. I've done the same with the one underneath. Just got the stamps there. I'm just about to do the passenger side ones. Just put all the wheel nuts left and right onto a bit of copper tube so they can be sandblasted and painted as well. Righto, so the wheels, all the tyres have been taken off. Just dropping it all off to the sandblasters now. You can see some of them are in a bit of a bad way, but we'll see how they come up. We have got the old rivets too, so it'll be interesting to see how they come up. You can see the old rivet heads through there. So we'll get them off and see how it looks. Right, so we're with the one at Eco Blast out of the Bass Coast in Victoria. So we're just getting all the rims ready to be sandblasted during the week. And we'll pick them up and see how they all look. Righto, so it's been a couple of months since I put the rust blast over the wheels, so I'm just going over them again, hopefully getting the spray booth in the next few weeks. As I'm doing each one, just giving the rims a bit of a touch up just around the edges with the sander, just so it's when we primer them up, they come up a bit better and there's no little catchy bit. So these rims have actually been gone over with a bit of a sander on the outer part of the rim just to smooth it all up a bit. I used rust blast and some steel wool a couple of times over the last couple of months just while they've been waiting, which has kept surface rust at bay. It's alright, but you just got to keep putting it on every month or so. But it's left them ready for painting anyway, which is good. And this is how I've set up all the wheel nuts. All the left ones, you can see the left ones have got the little notches in them. The right ones are normal. Dean works on a lot of older cars, rebuilding as he goes. A lot of them come in that are in pretty bad bloody condition. He keeps working. This used to have windows in the side, but the panels all been removed and it's made windowless now for the old Holden. Another old one over there. He's doing a bit of work. He just works on them in between his other jobs, and that Mini is ready to go, I think. They're just finishing off on the engine and his old, I think it's HK Holden, that he does in his spare time, which he gets lots of, obviously. And here he is over in the corner, mixing up the paint for the rims. They're getting paint prepped up at the moment with his boys. So these rims have actually been gone over with a bit of a sander on the outer part of the rim just to smooth it all up a bit. I used rust blast and some steel wool a couple of times over the last couple of months just while they've been waiting, which has kept surface rust at bay. It's alright, but you just got to keep putting it on every month or so. But it's left them ready for painting anyway, which is good. And this is how I've set up all the wheel nuts. All the left ones, you can see the left ones have got the little notches in them. The right ones are normal. This is the first part of the primer going on.
So we've got the Chromax wet and wet primer in a grey, and then the Chromax 2K top coat. All good, mate.
Okay, so Dean's just chucked the rims. They've been in the spray booth for a couple of days, just drying up. So we're just going to leave them like this in the trailer for a couple of days. I'll take them home. Righto, so we just had tea for tyres in Montague. Glenn and Shane have been looking after me. They've pulled all the original tyres off the rims. Pulled all the second-hand truck tyres off the old Isuzu rims, and Shane's been putting these on for me today. I think he's just finishing off, pumping up the tyres, and they come up alright. So we're just about ready to put them back on the truck. I've just got to find another 7.5 tyre to put on that rim. It was just my backup rim, so it's looking good. I'm going to put my foot on it.
Yeah, I've just got to keep that wood there. Hold that bloody foot. Can't.
Sweet. Alright, let's go put these on. Get the truck back on the road. So I've just gone to put the rims on, and out of the 4 back ones, this one here is poking through the rims. Now the other ones are sticking out like that, so I think if I'd have known, I'm not too sure if the guy at the tyre shop knew that they were, how they were set up as duals could have been the problem, so it won't actually go on the wheel because the valve stem is sticking up and hitting on the hub, so I'll have to take 3 of them back and get them swapped so the stem's sticking out this way. Okay, so just got all the tyres back on after they've been painted. All the rims have been done, we touched them up. All the backs are on, so we're just about to drop it on the ground. And just back it out of the shed for the first time in like 3 months, so we're ready to go. Righto, so it hasn't been started for about 3 or 4 months. Just put the wheels back on it. Pump, pump, pump.